Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage Siri for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see this menu. Now tap on your earbuds and then scroll down. Go to Controls and firstly decide you wanna use the single press, double press, triple press, or press and hold to call your voice assistant, and then tap at the best one for you. I'm going with a single tap. Enable it if it's disabled, and then decide you wanna use the left one or right one earbud to call a Siri. So I'm going to use the left one. Just tap on it and then select Siri. Now let's check it. So if I press one time, the touch area is located right here. I just tap on it. And as you can see, Siri is awake, so it worked. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!